Hey guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. So on today's video, I'll be showing you how I actually put a little bit of touch into my small bathroom in my bedroom to make it look this glamorous. And you could see how it's looking before I transform it into this. So it's looking more beautiful, more presentable, more like stylish, more more inviting.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help.
So we are actually going to be working on the shelf today. So when you open the shelf, you could see that the shelf is kind of cluttered. So this is what I want us to work with. I'm just going to reshuffle it and rearrange it, and then see the stuff I don't need that I need to take out, and then make sure that it looks better. So guys, this is what we'll be working on today in this small ensuite bathroom. So I will be swapping this transparent organizer with the white one in the shelf over there. That doesn't look fanciful at all. That needs to go away. So the reason for me rearranging this shelf today is to make sure that the shelf is not looking too cluttered, that is well organized, and also so it can be easier for me to get stuff out of the shelf when I needed to. So the space I'm actually working on right now is my ensuite bathroom, which means the small bathroom in my bedroom, and the bathroom is quite small. So if you have a small space that you want to work on, if you live in UK, you know our spaces are always very small. So if you have a small space you want to work on, this will give you a basic idea. If you're working with small space, what I will advise is you include frame or mirror in the space. What mirror does is to make the space look bigger. It gives you that vibe like this space is bigger than it looks. And also, what you can also include to make it look beautiful is frame. Try to include frame into the makeover. Try to include frame, and try to include storage as well. Any form of storage would really help. You could see that from this shelf I have a lot of stuff that I put into the shelf in this small space, and it actually fit in because the shelf is just a form of storage, if you understand what I mean. So something like a storage basket is a storage, whatever storage, anything you can actually use to put things together in a particular place in a small space. It gives the space, it makes the space look as if the space is big. By the time I was done rearranging the small ensuite bathroom, it came out really, really beautiful. It looks inviting. It gives you that vibe like you're in a hotel. It's very organized, neat, not cluttered, and that was what I was actually going for. It came out really, really beautiful.
Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you.
So if you know me personally, you will know how much I love perfume. But the funny thing is that I actually prefer to wear male perfume than female perfume. I think, to my personal opinion, I think female perfume are too sweet, and I prefer the male perfume. I think I like the smell more than the female perfume. So if you are female and you're watching this video and you love male perfume as well, please drop a comment in the comment section below. I want to hear your opinion and the reason why you actually love male perfumes like me. So after rearranging the shelf, this is how it looks. It really looks good. So I get a basket, just like I speak about basket for storage, to put my towels and also maybe my nightwear and when I'm done wearing them. And also I have another storage to put all the toilet stuff that I use as well, and this really look nice. All the things I'm showing in the video, I'm going to see if I can link them in the description section because I actually got them from Amazon, so I'll just link it for you guys if I can find any, but some are from Home Sense as well. So that really looks good. So I'm just going to swap that basket with another basket, and this basket just goes with the paint on the wall and the tiles as well. So I that looks
So after
better. All you do, your bathroom need to smell good. So I love diffuser in every part of my apartment. So I have one in my bathroom as well, and it really smells so good. And also, just like I said previously, you need frame in your space. You're making a small space, you're doing a bathroom makeover, a living room decoration, whatever you're doing, you need a frame. It will transform your space for you seriously. Like within it will transform your space like a magic. Yeah, that's what it does. After putting the frame on that part of the wall, it looks so beautiful. And then I added this my foot mat from HomeSense, and it gives it all the vibe the small bathroom actually needs. You need a foot mat in your bathroom, just make sure it's not too small. So this is how the shelf looks like after organizing it. It looks good, it looks easy to access, it's not looking cluttered. So that is the goal, and it's easy to access. That is what I'm actually going for, and that was what I got. So if you think you loved the video, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up. And if you're stumbling on my channel for the very first time, please support me by hitting on the subscribe button. Press on your notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is how beautiful my small bathroom makeover came out. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I would like to know what you think about this makeover. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Yeah, you always make